Hi folks, back with the Mole 7H. Finally got it finished up. Sorry it took so long. We'll do a little walk around on it here. The first two-man saw I've ever restored or worked on as far as that goes. Quite different. Had a few challenges, but it was a fun project. Want to thank the gentleman who I purchased the saw from. He goes by Saw Hoarder here on YouTube and on the Chainsaw Collectors Forum, which is it's a great forum. Everybody ought to check it out if you're into the older saws, new saws as well. There's all kinds of information there. Mike, appreciate it. Sent me a nice complete unit to work with. It's always good to do business with you. Thank you. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Bye.